All right, from Seattle, this is the SimPure Y9A Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It came packaged great and arrived safely. It was all packaged up in styrofoam, and I'll show you that over here. In the package, you are going to get the unit itself, this drip pan that just magnetizes onto the front, and an easy-to-read set of instructions that tell you everything you need to know about this unit. Right off the bat, it is a great looking unit. I love the sleek design. I love the white color. It looks great on my kitchenette countertop. The great thing about this unit is that there is no installation required at all. When the unit is completely empty, it weighs around 17 pounds. It is 14.5 inches tall, 9 inches across, and 14 inches from back to front, including the front panel right here. You do not need to connect it to a water source, my favorite thing. It is just a plug and play unit. And we have about a 40-inch two-prong cord on here. The only setup related item that you're going to need to do is, like I said before, attach the magnetic drip pan. Done. And you're going to need to flush it out 3 times, and then you're good to go. On this side of the unit, you pull this top cover off right here, pull these 2 clips to remove the cover, and we can see the filter setup. The first one you see is the reverse osmosis filter. The second is the alkaline filter for the pH levels. And the third is the composite polypropylene and carbon filter. When it comes time to replace these filters, they just screw off right here. You just turn them, and it's got open and close on here. It's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Super easy. This Y9 series filter system is capable of pushing up to 300 gallons a day. So they say. I have no idea that I'm ever going to be able to test that amount, but that's quite a bit of water. And according to SimPure, the filter should last you about the equivalent of 6,000 bottles of water. Though I'm not sure the exact amount of ounces of those bottles of water, but it's roughly 792 gallons of water. And lastly, the water goes up through here and through the UV filter on its way to your cup. On this side of the tank, we can see the water tank. This tank holds about 1.3 gallons of water when filled all the way up to the top fill line. There's a stainless steel filter inside of here that can be brush cleaned every 3 months or so. I like that they put the tank on the side because it makes it much easier to take off and put back on. The tank is divided into 2 sections here. You fill the whole thing up to the top of the fill line, and after it does its reverse osmosis thing, it kicks the recycled water back into this side of the tank. When you go to refill it, you just dump the whole thing out and refill it back to the line. It just lifts out and sits back into place. Super easy. I've turned the light off here so we can see the panel a little bit better. When it's not in use, it goes into sleep mode. So if you want to wake it up, you just press a button and that wakes it up. Each individual filter has its own light on the display, and it will flash to let you know when it is time to replace a filter. When you are dispensing the water, the UV light comes on here to let you know that it's doing its job. And when it's time to empty the unit and refill it again, a changed light water appears right here. As you can see, you just press the button to dispense your water and press it again when you're done. This is the water that I put into the unit right here. I've got some pretty bad tap water here. 298. Then we'll test this water. What do we got there? 11. Way better. So there you go. A reverse osmosis water filtration system like this would be great for the home, great for your office, great for your student dorm room, obviously the kitchen. It would be great to take in an RV. It would be great to take it camping with you. All kinds of uses. Very nice.